What is up people, welcome to another video and you're watching CB Tech King live here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, which is just upcoming next big thing from Huawei. So without any further delay, let's get this video started. First of all, we are going to talk about the design for both of these devices, and we are going to start the things off from Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So Huawei Mate 20 Pro is going to have a notch on top just similar to the iPhone X, but one thing which isn't similar to the iPhone X is its bottom bezel. So it is going to feature a thicker bottom bezel compared to the side bezels. However, it is hardly noticeable. Furthermore, if we talk about the back for Huawei Mate 20 Pro, we will see triple lens camera system along with a flash, which is arranged in a very different manner compared to the market. Now there is one more strange thing which reveals to a further beautiful idea, which is most probably going to be a reality, that there is no placement for fingerprint sensor, which lead us that Huawei will most probably place the fingerprint sensor under the display, as it is a possibility now in 2018, and Mate 20 Pro is going to be their high-end flagship smartphone. So now let's talk about other device from Huawei, which is going to be Huawei Mate 20. So you are again going to have an encounter with notch, but this time with a much smaller one. It is going to be just similar to Essential Phone's notch, sometime also known as water drop notch, and one of the biggest reason for that is that you won't be getting a 3D facial scanner on Mate 20 in comparison to Mate 20 Pro. One more thing which is quite noticeable in Huawei Mate 20, and it is its bottom bezel. So you are going to get a much more thicker bottom bezel in comparison to that of Mate 20 Pro, which really defines one more thing, that it is a possibility that Mate 20 might come with a LCD display, but Mate 20 Pro might come with an OLED display. Furthermore, talking about the back for Huawei Mate 20, you guys will be getting a triple lens camera system along with a flash arranged in the same square type just like Mate 20 Pro. But one thing which is different with the Mate 20's back is that you will also get a fingerprint sensor located just under the cameras, which clarifies a belief that Huawei Mate 20 won't be getting any type of in-display fingerprint sensor. That feature will be only available for the Pro model. So beside these leaked images, the specifications for the Huawei Mate 20 were also leaked. So you guys are going to get the Huawei Mate 20 with Android 9.0 out of the box, along with the high silicon Kirin 980 processor, which is going to be the first 7nm processor in the smartphone, along with 6GB of RAM, and other configurations are still unknown. If we talk about the camera for Huawei Mate 20, we are going to get a triple lens rear camera system, but the details are missing in the specification list. Now if we talk about the storage for Huawei Mate 20, we are going to get a base model of 128GB, and we do not know how much we can upgrade the storage or which other storage models will be available. Talking about the display for the Huawei Mate 20, it is going to come with a 6.3 inches of AMOLED screen. However, I mentioned early on in this video that it might come with an LCD display, but in this specification list it is told that it is going to come with an AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2244 by 1080. Furthermore, if we talk about the audio options, you are still going to find a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it's a special thanks to Huawei for not removing it just like other companies. I am not naming any of them right over here in this video. Last but not the least, let's talk about the battery capacity for the Huawei Mate 20. So it is going to feature a 4200 mAh of battery cell, which is even larger if compared to the Note 9's 4000 mAh battery, and it is just completely stunning. However, I want to tell you guys that I really do not believe this list of specifications for the Mate 20, but still it is believed all around on the internet because it is the latest leak related to the Mate 20. In my opinion, the specifications which are told in this list are for the Mate 20 Pro but not for the Mate 20, but still we are going to also believe this as this is the only news related to the specifications of these devices. So this was it from today's video guys. If you people enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for future quality tech videos. Peace out.